I've spent my life chasing two important questions. Number one, how do you lead and inspire people? Number two, how do you maximize profits? Well, I believe people and profits are like the head and the heart of any organization. You might have a great strategy, but if you don't have inspired people, and if you don't have a structured way of multiplying profit, your organization is going to collapse.
Please welcome Sharat Sharma with a huge round of applause on the dais.
A little louder, a little shift in the energy, please. Well, over the last 20 years, I've had the privilege of working with over 160 organizations. And every time I step on the stage, there's one thought that consistently is on my mind. How do I create more leaders, and how do I help the sales professionals have a structured way of growing their profits? When I started my first business at the age of 20, most of my lessons came by the virtue of trial and error. A lot of lessons I could not have learned in the classroom. Fast forward 7 years in the corporate world, I learned a lot of structures, systems, and ways to scale the business, and a lot more. Since then, I've worked with leadership and sales teams from diverse industries across Asia. I deliver powerful keynotes at leadership and sales offsites and conferences. I also work with organizations to design and deliver practical workshops. In addition, I also coach C-suite executives. My work blends neuroscience, practical and simplified solutions with humor so that you see results faster than you can imagine. You have a vision, I have the formula. Let's connect and build your next level.